Our innovation is Hack Biodigester, Theme Waste Management, Institution Holy Cross College, Trichy. This video is submitted as a part of NIC 2020 organized by MOE's Innovation Cell and AICTE. I am the team lead and founder S. Hafila Khairun. My team members and co-founders are Alfin Punita and Charitra Aishwarya. Our mentors are Dr. J. Felicita Florence and Dr. J. Amala Infant Joyce, Assistant Professors, Department of Chemistry, Holy Cross College. Our institution serves as our knowledge partner and provides timely assistance for the development of our product. Though India has made many strides owing to Swachh Bharat mission, the sanitation and waste management in public toilets across large parts of the country is still a stinking mess. This results in 93% of toilet sewage to be the leading pollutants of water resources and cause for the spread of dreadful diseases. Moreover, lack of power facilities and insecurity minimizes the usage of public toilets, especially among women and children. Hack Biodigester involves the integration of the working principles of aerobic digestion and fuel cell process for treating waste and proves to be a one-stop solution for all the problems said before. The unique selling point of our innovation is the usage of customized volume of water along with disinfectant for periodical flushing of toilets, no requirement of cogeneration units for power production. Our innovation is cost efficient and we have adopted a unique product design. The increase in the demand for sustainable energy increases the business potential of our product. Two modes of revenue model is adopted. First one is by selling it to our target customers, which includes educational institutions, hotels, apartments, etc. And second one is by end-to-end treatment in highway toilets and sewage treatment plants. The future scope of our product is more since the market demands for carbon-less emissions, which is offered by our innovation. The waste obtained from the toilets is directed to our innovative product where it gets segregated as solid and liquid wastes. These wastes get treated simultaneously within the same unit. During this process, electricity is generated which can be used to light up the toilets and operate sensors for automated flushing and fragrance of that particular toilet. The disinfected effluent obtained by treating the wastes can be used for flushing purposes and hence it conserves water. Compost produced by treating the solid wastes can be used for agricultural purposes. Waste management, water conservation and electricity production are the trio advantages achieved through our innovation. Thank you MOE's Innovation Cell and AICTE.
Our innovation offers safe, secure and sanitized toilets.
Our motto is to prove that wastes are not meant to waste.
Swachhata Shivam Tricity aims to create a sustainable future at your doorstep by providing access to clean water, sanitation and electricity and proves to be a significant solution to billions of people around the world.